Hey guys, it's Mike.
And Holly.
And we've got a mystery bag of something here.
Big blind bag.
So we wanted to start off by thanking Tech for Kids for sending us this neat little mystery bag. And I bet you guys are kind of curious to know what's inside.
Oh yes, of course.
Although technically they've already read the title, so they kind of know.
They already know.
But we're going to do this like mystery bag-ish style. So these,
Oh my god.
if you guys remember, a few weeks ago, maybe it was a month ago.
It's been a little while.
These are the My Little Pony Squishy Pops.
Mm-hmm.
And we had opened some.
The charm bracelets.
We did some of the charm bracelet packs. We did some of
the balls.
The balls.
Mm-hmm. Like the blind balls.
And I think we did a couple single packs of something. I can't remember now.
Yeah,
you guys can go watch that video. But what was the thing that happened with those?
Basically, they put out the main 6 ponies, and everybody was buying up the balls in hopes of getting all the different ponies that they showed on the package, but everybody just kept getting the main 6 ponies.
Right. So there was a I guess a mistake on their end by an accident mistake.
Right.
So what they did was they sent us some of the other ponies, which should be coming out to you guys anytime now. So this is the Scootaloo one.
So cute.
So you get the bracelet, you get a charm, and this one even says Scootaloo on it.
And then you get the little bead.
And then one of the pops, the squishy pop figures, which these are sticky, remember?
Yeah, they got the little suction cups there. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so there's Scootaloo. So who else did we get?
Oh, I love these. I'm so excited. Bonbon!
Oh, that one doesn't say... Okay, well, that one doesn't say Bonbon on it. It just has the cutie mark. So there's Bonbon. Comes with a yellow... Is it? Yeah, I guess it's
like
yellowish, yellowish,
bead.
clearish bead.
And what's cool about these is you can, like, stack them up. You can take off the beads and make, one bracelet.
We should have grabbed our other ones. I don't know where they're at now.
You can make one bracelet with, like, a whole bunch of ponies or a whole bunch of beads or whatever on it. You can do whatever you want. This is Trixie Lulamoon. There's a cutie mark on this side. There you go.
Again,
and then the
doesn't say her name on there. It's just the cutie mark on the charm.
Yep, that's Trixie Lulamoon.
And the blue bead.
I like her. I like the colors. She's
Next
really
we have
pretty.
Apple Bloom.
Ah,
Yay! So this one actually does say Apple Bloom on the charm.
I think that's cool how they say the name on them. Although then you don't really... Do you see the cutie mark as well? No?
No, you don't.
Oh, that's a cutie mark Crusader. She doesn't have her cutie mark yet. But like with Bonbon... Oh, no, wait. Which one has its name on it? Scootaloo. Oh, that's why they don't have...
There you go.
That's why they don't have the cutie mark on their name, because they're cutie mark Crusaders.
Okay, but I would have loved to see the name on them anyways.
Oh, yeah. This is Lyra.
What would have been nice? Put the cutie mark on one side and the name on the other. But the other side does say Squishy Pops. You guys can kind of see right there.
Oh, yeah. This is Lyra Heartstrings. I like that color bead. That's really pretty.
So she's all minty.
Oh, I love these.
It is cool to get these other ones.
It really is.
Because we were kind of excited when we heard that they were going to correct whatever went on and release the other ones. Mm-hmm. So we got Sweetie Belle.
Also a cutie mark Crusader, which is why her name is on there. See, that totally makes sense now. I was like, why did they do it that way? Totally makes sense.
There you go. Oh, do we have any more? Nope, that's it.
Adorbs. Adorbs.
Cool.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the main 6 is 12.
So 12. So
is that what it was? There was supposed to be 12?
I can't remember now. I can't remember if that was it. So you guys, if you're interested in these, you can probably expect these to start being in the store within the next month or 2, I think they said. So you can kind of keep a lookout for that. Like I said, they do come in these charm packs. Mm-hmm. They also have the little pink balls where you get either a pony or a bead and charm.
Right.
So the blind balls don't necessarily mean just ponies. You either get these or the pony.
Right.
And then, I think there were some other packs where you just get this part and the charm, maybe, without the bracelet. If I can remember right.
Something like that. That way you could pick out which pony you wanted. But this way you guys can see what the ponies look like before you go out and buy them.
So which one's your favorite of these new ones?
Favorite?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, well, I'll go first. I'm going to pick Apple, or no, Oh, wait, Apple
Scootaloo.
Bloom. No, Apple Bloom.
You want Apple
I want Apple Bloom.
Okay.
Oh, well, maybe. I was almost going to take Sweetie Belle.
Okay,
Apple Bloom. Apple Bloom. I'll go Apple Bloom.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to pick Trixie Lulamoon or Lyra because I like the colors. I'll go with Trixie Lulamoon because she was my first thought. So I'll go with her. I like her cutie mark and I like her colors. And she's just really pretty, like with her hair. I like her.
Which one's your guys' favorite of these new ones that we got?
Yeah, which one? Really cool. Which one, if you guys go out and buy the little blind balls, would you like to find in a blind ball? Leave it in the comments below.
And again, we want to thank Tech4Kids for sending us these, which was super cool of them.
Yeah, that was really awesome.
So
excited.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.